Hi Aries, the card of the week for you is the Tower, and this week you might get some unexpected change, loss, tragedy, confusions, pain, divorce. The change may be scary and you may find it difficult in your career or in your relationship. You might had some breakup or you there are chances for the breakup, separation, divorce, conflicts, arguments in terms of your relationship, and it also in terms of your career. I do see lack of job security or a job loss, so I don't see a good positive change this week for you, Aries. Or I will say that let this week pass and the new week will bring new energy. So just make yourself calm this week and try to surround yourself with positive energies and don't let any negative energies affect you. So that's all I have for you, Aries. Thank you. Hi Leo, the card of the week for you is the Chariot, and this week you guys will be in a self-discipline, in your control, in your willpower. You guys will be working hard, you guys will be focused, and I also feel many of you will be feeling motivated, ambitions, and whatever obstacles you guys might be having, you will be able to overcome that with your hard work. And for the many of you, the travel is also indicated, so many of you will travel this week. And I also see if you guys will be feeling like you guys are in the battle, but don't worry, because this card says that if you maintain your focus you will be successful. So the Chariot is also an indicator of success. So yeah, that's all I have for you, Leo. Just stay focused and work hard. You will achieve what you want. So yeah, thank you, Leo. Hi Sagittarius, so the card of the week for you is the Magician, and this week I see you guys will be having all the skills and abilities you need to be successful, and the universe is bringing positive changes on your way. So this card also tells that you must use your concentrations and willpower to make things happen. And I also feel that you guys will be very logical and will be using your most psychic powers and your willpower, your skills, your ability, everything. So whatever you want to manifest, Sagittarius, manifest this week, because you have the powers in your hand to to get that thing, to get your whatever you want. So only you have the powers. So manifest all the positive things this week, because you will attract those positive things more in this week. So yeah, thank you, Sagittarius. Hi Gemini, so the card of the week for you is the Devil, and I see some kind of addiction, depression, mental health issues this week for you guys, because this Devil card indicates depression and addiction. It can also be a sign of feeling trapped or restricted. So you may feel as through some outside influences or forces beyond your control are restricting you or leaving you feel powerless and victimized. But these all are illusion which devil is creating. Because you are in control of your own destiny and are not bound by anything other than your own attitudes and behavior. So Gemini, don't give up and don't give away your power, whether you are feeling trapped and depressed in your relationship or your career. And I also see that you don't have to tolerate any negativity, criticism, manipulation or abuse from anyone. So just try to stay positive and don't let these illusions, these trapped feelings stop you from anything. So thank you, Gemini. Hi Libra, so the card of the week for you is the Queen of Wands, and this week I see you guys being more energetic, strong, courageous, passionate, funny, independent, confident, etc. And I also see that this week you guys will be very optimistic and outgoing and full of energy. You will be doing, many tasks and keeping everything in your control, and people will be tired just looking at you because you will be so on fire. You will be like, I'm so energetic, I can do anything, I can do anything at one time. So, and this card also tells me that you guys will be taking charge of things and organizing your life, and you guys will be helping others also. I only see that you all are very multitasker this week, feeling like you guys will be feeling very multitasker and full of energy, but also hot tempered. So try to be, not too hot tempered, and yeah, just full of energetic week I see for you guys, and you will be very strong and taking charge of everything, and very courageous, very confident. So that's a good thing, Libra. Thank you. Hi Aquarius. So the card of the week for you is the Ten of Cups, which is an amazing card to get. And I see this week you guys will be very happy families, some kind of marriage, reunions, long-term relationships, and I see that you guys will be happy, emotional, spiritual fulfillment for you guys, and a lots of caring, lots of fun, again lots of happiness. Like you will be feeling like life should be full of all the happiness that you ever wanted, and you are getting these happiness this week, whether in terms of your love life or your career. As I see in your career, it indicates that things should be going well in work, as you should have reached a point where you are, reaping the rewards of your hard work. And if you are looking for a job, waiting for any result, I see it's a good time to get some good news. And even also in your relationships, I see it's a great card, because this indicates long-term relationships and marriage, and the soulmate card. So the things should be going very well in your relationship as well. So enjoy this week, Aquarius. Thank you. Hi Taurus. So the card of the week for you is the Seven of Wands, and this tells me that this week you will be standing up for your beliefs, fighting your corner, protective, defensive. And this week I see this card is representing standing up for your, again, what you believe in, and fighting your corner and holding your own things. It also signifies that taking the high road, maintaining control and being strong. It also tells me that someone who is protective, defensive, and all I see that you guys will be very protecting yourself, trying to let people know what you feel, and just fighting for yourself, because you will be feeling very very blamed in terms of your love life or your career life. There will be a lot of challenges, and you guys will be fighting it. But I also see that you guys will be strong, like us. You guys will be fighting very strongly. So this week is quite challenging for you, Taurus, and yeah, that's all I have for you. Thank you, Taurus. Hi Virgo. So the card of the week for you is the Nine of Wands, and all I see battles for you this week. So this card is telling me that some recent events have left you drained of all energies, and you will be feeling like you cannot go on. But You don't know that you're so close to getting what you want. You just need to gather the last of your strength and push forward, and you will be successful. This card represents ongoing battles, being battled, and draining of energies. So just be confident, have courage, and just fight your battle, because at the last you will be successful. You may be wounded or expecting trouble when this card appeared in the tarot, but it can suggest that things have not worked out the way you planned, and there have been challenges. So don't worry, because you are close to success. You just need to have some fight with your battles, and at the end you will win, whether in your love life or your career. At the end you will win. So thank you, Virgo. Hi Capricorn. So the card of the week for you is the Eight of Swords reversed, and I see some freedom and release of negativity. There was a time in your life when you had been feeling stuck, feeling anxiety, feeling like, or facing fears, but now you are releasing those anxiety, releasing those fears, and unstucking yourself. And I also see that you are ignoring all the criticism and standing up to any abuse or anything that is taking back control of your life. You may be feeling clear minded and mentally strong this week, and also hopeful. So it's a good card. I would say that Eight of Swords reversed has just come for you, because whatever you were facing in the past or in your recent past, now you will be overcoming those obstacles. And yes, that's all I have for you, Capricorn. So good luck and thank you. Hi Cancer. So the card of the week for you is the Eight of Pentacles, and this week I see new job, self-employment, building business. All you are doing this week is working hard, working on yourself. In terms of your relationship, I see you're trying to build a relationship better. In terms of your career, I see some new job, a new starting of the business, some financial security, and you are moving ahead in your success. And I also see some kind of craftsmanship. So all you are doing is working hard this week, Cancer. Whether in your love life or in your career, you are building things up, you're working on yourself, you're working a lot, like a lot. So good luck and have a positive week, Cancer. Thank you. Hi Pisces. So the card of the week for you is the Seven of Cups, and this week I see a lot of options, choices, multiple possibilities for you. You guys are daydreaming a lot and imagining a lot. There might be some kind of decision making things are also there for you guys. I see you guys are having a lot of options to choose from, or multiple possibilities open to you. It can be an indication that you have so many choices or so many things going on at once that you may be unable to focus properly. So you need to limit the amount of things you are taking on to a manageable amount. So because there's no point in agreeing to do things if you can't give them the time and attention they deserve. So try to be realistic about what you want and don't get too confused. And in terms of your relationship, I see if you guys are single, then this indicates that you will have a lot of potential partners interest in you and lots of opportunities for romance. And if you guys are in relationship, I see that this card indicate that a new love interest may appear and cause issue in your current relationship. So try to be in the real world. Don't don't get too confused. And in your in I'm sorry and in regards of your career, I see that it's a good sign, and this indicates that multiple possibilities for career are open to you. So just be mindful, and you know don't spend all your time just brainstorming and forget to take practical steps to make your dreams a reality. So don't commit to things which you cannot see through, and just be mindful and think practically. Don't get too confused. Don't daydream a lot. So be in a real world basis. So thank you. Hi Scorpio, so the card of the week for you is the Three of Swords, and I see heartbreak, loneliness, and depression, suppression, sadness, unhappiness this week for you guys. And this card again represent unhappiness, heartbreak, sorrow, sadness, grief, loss, depression. So you might feel very difficult and conflicted, misunderstood this week, which will, make you very emotional and break your heart, whether in your love life or in your career. So just try to be not too emotional, and protect your heart this week. And yeah, just let this week pass away, and a new week will bring new energies. So thank you, Scorpio.